Good Sunday evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your evening recap webcast. We'll take a look back, see where we were on Friday and where we are headed tomorrow. You know, I talked in the morning webcast Friday morning, and I talked Thursday night, that the Bears had to do a couple of things. They could not let 1670 be established as a floor, a support floor in this market. And they could not allow another hammer to print on the chart like we had printed on Thursday. So what happens? We trade all the way down to 70 half, bounce, rip, put another hammer in, and close it on the highs. That is about as bad a scenario for the Bears as you can possibly imagine. Because now on just about any time frame, the move to 1695 half looks very reasonable. We've now pulled back a full 25 handles, so nobody can really complain that we're going straight up. I don't want to hear that. That you have no credibility if that's your position, because we are not going straight up. We consolidated in this area here for 4 or 5 days. We went up to new highs to 1695 half. We pulled back 25 handles. 25 handles. What more do you want if you're a bear? Okay? And now we're bouncing off of what has become fairly well-known support. So from here, the easy answer now is to say, look out, we're going to 1700, and maybe we are. I am not completely sold as yet, because we've got very, very big news coming up this weekend, or this week rather. You got a Fed meeting on Wednesday, and you got non-farm payrolls on Friday. This week is going to be a very pivotal week in this market. If this week goes the bull's way, meaning that the reaction to these pieces of news is deemed to be bullish, then it really opens the doors to, something in the 1725 area. The upper band here is trading up at 1717. 1718. So in order to get a punch at this point, if you're going to retrace something and come back down, you're really talking about 1725. So, I'm pretty bullish tonight about a walk up into the Fed meeting on Wednesday, and there's really no reason for anybody not to be. We've done 2 hammers off of 1670 support, so there's a lot of exposure to the upside. 1670 is a floor. You want to see the bulls follow through. How do we go up? Is it a violent move up? I don't think so, because you've just got 2 gigantic pieces of news sitting out in front of you Wednesday and Friday. So I think it's more of a grind. I think there will be a dip to be bought each day. There certainly was Thursday, and there certainly was Friday. So, in looking at tomorrow, I would expect the same kind of scenario. You're looking for a dip mid-morning to be bought. And, if you're a bear, the only way you knock this down now is to break 1670 and close below it. The problem that you're running into now, though, is you see the green line there. You see the middle Bollinger Band, and that is reaching very quickly up to meet you around 1670. So prior support is also going to become middle band support here pretty quick. So the bulls are in a very good position to run higher with this market. And it's not often that they have dropped the ball in the last year or so. So I think to be putting big short bets on tonight or tomorrow morning, assuming that the bulls are going to somehow blow it from here, is probably not the best thing to be doing with your account right now. There will be better days to short. Certainly if you are short and you do get these morning dips, you have got to be peeling out of positions. You've got to be actively trading this stuff. You cannot just get short and hold it because you think that this is the end, because it's clearly not the end. So that's just a few things that I'm looking for. On the upside, at this point, really 90, 92 half, and then 95 half. On the downside, if you don't want to lose 77, obviously, and you certainly don't want to lose the 70. So everybody have a great night. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. We've been in there buying morning dips, so come on in for a couple weeks, check it out, see if we fit in with your trading. We would love to have you. I'll be back in the morning with the pre-market webcast for ntmarkets.com, and I will catch everybody then. Have a fantastic night. Trade them well.